Hate being on camera? You can still go viral. Let me show you how. Today we'll explore how to create faceless content for beginners. If you've ever felt shy about putting your face on camera but still want to dive into the world of affiliate marketing, this video is for you. Let's break down the key steps to getting started. First, identify your niche. Choose a topic you're passionate about or have expertise in. This will make content creation easier and more enjoyable. Research popular products within that niche that offer affiliate programs. Use platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale to find products that resonate with your audience. Next, plan your content strategy. Think about the type of content you can create without showing your face. Some great options include screen sharing tutorials, product review videos, unboxing videos with voiceovers, slideshow videos accompanied by narration, and animation videos. Now, let's talk about production tools. You don't need expensive equipment to get started. A decent microphone for clear audio and basic video editing software are essential. Tools like OBS Studio can help with screen recording, while Canva or Microsoft PowerPoint are great for creating engaging slideshows. For animations, consider using software like Animaker or Powtoon. After you've created your content, optimize it for search engines. Craft compelling titles and descriptions, incorporate relevant keywords, and add proper tags. This ensures your videos are discoverable to a wider audience. Promote your content through social media and join forums or online communities related to your niche. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking for their input. This interaction can foster a sense of community and trust. Keep an eye on your analytics. Platforms like YouTube provide valuable insights into what content resonates with your audience. Use these insights to refine your strategy and improve future videos. Consistency is key. Aim to upload regularly to establish a presence and maintain audience interest. Remember, building a successful affiliate marketing channel takes time and patience. By following these steps, you can successfully create faceless content in affiliate marketing without needing to step in front of the camera. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on growing your affiliate marketing business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.